Hello there, this is Random News and today's topic is Deal Done with China. US President Donald Trump on Wednesday announced that a deal with China is done after 2 days of talk in London, marking a turnaround in the trade war between the two major economies. The deal awaits approval by him and Chinese President Xi Jinping. Our deal with China is done, subject to final approval with President Xi and me. Full magnets and any necessary rare earths will be supplied upfront by China. Likewise, we will provide to China what was agreed to, including Chinese students using our colleges and universities, which has always been good with me. We are getting a total of 55% tariffs. China is getting 10% tariffs. Relationship is excellent. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Trump wrote on Truth Social adding that he and President Xi will work closely together to open China to American trade. This will be a great win for both countries. The London talk focused on both sides reaching a deal on China resuming supplies of the rare earth metals, the key elements needed to manufacture mobile phones, semiconductors and missiles, besides automobile productions. While China blocked rare earth exports, the US restricted Beijing's access to US goods such as semiconductors and other related technologies linked to artificial intelligence (AI). We have reached a framework to implement the Geneva Consensus. Once the presidents approve it, we will then seek to implement it. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said following the talks, according to the International Energy Agencies, China accounts for 61% of global mined rare earth production but controls 92% of the global output. The US and China agreed to temporary lower tariffs after talks in Geneva last month. The truce is due to the last 90 days. Trump had imposed 145% of tariffs against the Chinese exports of about $439.9 billion. China retaliated with 125% on US exports of about $143 billion.
Please do subscribe my channel Random News.